Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us are passionate about: love and connection. We all want to be someone's favorite person, and I'm here to share 7 heartfelt ways to make someone truly fall in love with you. These tips are all about fostering genuine relationships that can lead to lasting affection. Let's get started. 1. Be a source of support. First and foremost, be their rock. Life can be tough, and we all face challenges. When someone knows they can count on you during difficult times, it creates a deep bond. Listen to their worries, offer encouragement, and be the person they turn to when they need comfort. Your unwavering support will show them how much you care. 2. Show genuine interest. Next, make a real effort to get to know them. Ask open-ended questions about their life, dreams, and passions. Show that you're genuinely interested in their thoughts and feelings. When they feel seen and valued, it creates an emotional connection that can lead to love. Remember to listen actively, put away distractions, and give them your full attention. 3. Create joyful memories together. Now, let's talk about creating joyful memories. Spend time together doing fun activities, explore new places, try new foods, or engage in hobbies you both enjoy. These shared experiences will strengthen your bond and create positive associations with each other. The more joyful moments you create, the more they'll cherish your time together. 4. Embrace vulnerability. Don't be afraid to show your true self. Share your thoughts, feelings, and even your fears. Vulnerability fosters trust and intimacy. When you open up, it encourages them to do the same, creating a safe space for both of you to connect on a deeper level. Remember, it's okay to let them see your imperfections. It makes you relatable and human. 5. Be mysterious, just a bit. While honesty is essential, a touch of mystery can be enticing. You don't have to reveal everything about yourself all at once. Share snippets of your life and let them wonder about your thoughts and experiences. This intrigue can spark curiosity and keep them engaged, making them want to learn more about you over time. 6. Foster emotional connections. Focus on building emotional connections. Pay attention to their emotions, validate their feelings, and be empathetic. When someone feels emotionally understood, it strengthens the bond you share. Small acts of kindness and thoughtful gestures can show that you genuinely care and are invested in their happiness. 7. Maintain a healthy balance. Finally, maintain a healthy balance in your relationship. It's important to respect each other's individuality and independence. Give them space to pursue their interests and friendships while also nurturing your connection. When they see that you value both their time and your own, it fosters mutual respect and appreciation. Conclusion. These 7 heartfelt strategies focus on building genuine love and connection. By being supportive, showing interest, creating joyful memories, embracing vulnerability, and respecting each other's independence, you can foster a beautiful bond that has the potential to blossom into love. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on love and relationships. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What strategies have worked for you? Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.